Investment casting process can be used to produce metal parts with a hollow core. The hollow core is first molded in a soluble wax. The wax core is then placed in another casing mold. A non-soluble casing wax is injected into the mold to cover the soluble wax core. The entire wax part is then ejected from the mold and placed in a water tank. The soluble wax core dissolves in the water, leaving only the casing wax. The casing wax part can then be removed from the tank. A separate feed system is needed for the casting process. It is also molded in wax and joined to the wax casing part. The feed and wax casing is then covered with layers of ceramic slurry and dried to form a ceramic casing mold. The ceramic mold is heated to remove all the wax inside. Before the metal casting processes begin, the ceramic mold needs to be heated to a very high temperature. Molten metal is then poured into the heated ceramic mold and left to cool for several hours after the metal is thoroughly cooled. The ceramic mold is broken by vibration. The feed is then removed to produce the finished investment casting part. Thank you for watching. Check out other casting processes on our channel.